Alright, so last time I made a video was about a video talking about what made me stop making YouTube videos, and ironically enough, I stopped making videos for a whole month after that. But we're back at it again here, and today I am going to go walk you through actually me making a video and showing you guys how I edit and my whole entire editing process. Let's dive right in. I did a video edit for this guy named Matt. His username is Bagel Boy. I'll link it like right here if you want to check him out. But we just finished this video. It was a YouTube channel trailer, and it was kind of like a gameplay and some real life stuff mixed into it. But the whole video was 4 minutes. So in this video I'm going to try to get it down to 1 minute and try to fit everything in a 1 minute video. So hopefully we can do that. I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'll take you into kind of like my mind and how I actually do my editing process. So let's dive right in. So here is the entire video that we worked on together, and it was 4 minutes long. So I'm gonna try to get it down to like 1 minute, like what I said earlier. So first thing I'm gonna do is actually not gonna use the soundtrack anymore. So I'm gonna delete that. So now I have all the clips. So what we're gonna do actually is just use one song here. So we're going to use Go to Distance by Adobe. I don't know if this is copyrighted music, but you know, I'm not monetized yet, so it doesn't even matter. So I'm going to cut down a lot of stuff, and then I'm going to watch all the clips over, and then I'm going to just delete stuff that I think can be deleted, and considering that it's going to be a 1 minute video. Alright, so looks like I cut everything down that I think would be easy to cut out. So I got that video from a 4 minute video into right now it's only about 1 minute and 40 seconds. It's going to get a lot easier here when I actually incorporate the sounds, because what's going to happen is I'm going to cut these all to the beat, and then I'm going to have to cut them even shorter. So basically now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through it one more time, but this time I'm going to listen to the song and cut to the beat of the song. And then here I'm going to lock the song, because what I do actually is I use the keyboard shortcuts Q and W when I am editing. So Q basically cuts the clip and then deletes everything to the left, and W cuts the clip and deletes everything to the right. That's how I edit my videos, and it like just makes everything so much faster than actually just cutting and then clicking the thing and then clicking delete. It all does it in one button. So you see here, the song is actually overpowering a little bit of the voice, so I'm going to make the voice a little higher.
God damn, my lips are crusty. One time I made white snakes and stop.
So sometimes I like to match clips by slowing some clips down or speeding them back up like this. So I try to make the cut right where the lyrics say, where the crowds gather, whatever it says. Here I kind of want to exemplify, or what's the word? Not exemplify, I guess, but like the part where the car actually bounces. So I'm going to slow that down. Boom. And then pull it back up. I think it looks better if I speed that up a little bit. See, it kind of exemplifies how bad the roll was. There's too much text there, so I'm going to delete that section there. Hopefully you can get us down to 1 minute. So I'm going to try to time that this guy jumping where the song goes, I'll be there someday. So yeah. Because I'm going to go here and then try to speed it up here. Speed up just a little bit. If that works. Yeah. And then cut it right there. I'll be there someday. Oh, that's pretty dope. I'm actually going to try to get the part where it goes, where it says I can go the distance. So time that. Perfect, right? So I got the part where it died, like right when it says I. Right? You know, I'm gonna slow it down, and then when it says belong, that's when it's gonna blow it. Watch it then. I'll slow it down. Check it. Oh man, that's hilarious. Alright, so this run through, we roughly got it to 1 minute, 10 seconds over a minute. But that whole time, the clips were muted and only the song was on. So now I'm gonna go run it through it again, and I'm actually gonna listen to the clips sounds, and I'm gonna see if I want to keep them in or delete them.
God damn, my lips are crusty. What's up, my baby white? Thanks for stopping by.
Okay. So since I slow-mo that part, it sounds super weird, right? So either I'm gonna lower that down or completely delete it. This one I'm going to actually put the audio and actually try to put it back to regular sound. Oh, sounds like a chipmunk. Alright, so that always too slow for me, so I'm actually going to go to the graph and see if I can put that. It says O. Here it says O. Maybe the last as well. So I'm going to get the laughs, because you know, the laughs are what makes it genuine, right? So you don't want to delete all that stuff here and then just have the audio, the sound. The last one makes it genuine. Alright, so since this person died, I'm gonna use the pen tool and then make this dark. Oh, not the pen tool. I'm gonna put a black and white effect here. So black and white effect here, and the character gets hit. And then I'm gonna fade that to black. Oh. We're going to fade the next clip into black. Alright, so here you know that he said something, so I kind of cut it out when I was cutting the clip. So I'm gonna find that sound over here. Well, I can't find it, so I'm gonna actually go to the actual clip here. I think it's Resident Evil.
You're there.
Or it says, you're there, you're there.
You're there. You are there.
And I want to use that audio on top of that. Yeah, on top of this. But it kind of really shows like how scared he is in the game. And then, so there's this like effect when you're editing, where you put the audio in first before the clip actually happens. I think it's J cutting or L cutting. So that kind of helps with smoothing the transitions in the clip. Alright, so I'm gonna find a clip where he's like kind of whimpering because he died. Alright, I'm trying to grab the audio. So it's just gonna grab the audio, and this is going to kind of overwrite that. And then I'm gonna add gunshots because there are gunshots in this clip here. Okay. I'm gonna put that on top of here. Yeah, not too loud. I think that slow-mo sound really amplifies the hit, so I'm gonna keep that there. Okay, so in the beginning of this clip, I wanted to zoom in, right, but then slowly zoom it out. I'll go back. So just slowly and then slowly. Yeah. So let's see. There we go. I think I like it. I don't know if I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this sound because it's too slow, and then extend this one out. How is it? Oh. And then I'm gonna save this out. And then put this in. And then I'm gonna do a little J L cut thing again here, where the audio leads in first. You see the audio starts before the clip goes in.
Hey, looks like you made it to the end. Thank you so much.
You see how
Hey, looks like you made it.
you see how smoother that is? So this is original.
Hey, looks like you.
It's good,
Hey, look.
but like look. I'm gonna put this down and then put this out and do that. So the audio goes in before the clip goes in.
Hey, looks like you made it to the end. Thank you so much. Like I said before, like the end. Thank you so much. Like I said before.
And what I like to do when there's a talking clips,
Thank you so much. Like I said before, like, comment.
when there's a talking clips, I like
So
to
much. Like I said.
zoom in a little bit. So I change the little frame here, so the audience isn't get bored. Like when you do that, the audience thinks like, oh, there's something changing in this video or in this clip, so they won't like click out to do, you know.
Thank you so much. Like I said before, like, comment, subscribe if you liked it, if you want to see more. Peace out.
The fade out though. You gotta fade that out.
I want to see more. So. Got.
And then let's rewatch everything.
God damn, my lips are crusty. What's up, my mailboys? Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and check out the video. A lot of time and hard work went into it.
Hold it. So right there, I'm gonna actually fade that out.
Hard work went into it.
See how abrupt that is, going from white straight to black? So I'm gonna actually do a fade to black.
A lot of time and hard work went into it.
Okay, so this clip I'm going to change because it looks like it's not focused on what you want to be focusing on, what the audience is supposed to see. So I'm going to change. I'm going to zoom in just a little tad and then move this over so the audience can actually see what they're supposed to see.
Hard work went into it.
Alright, this is abrupt here. I don't know, there's a sliver here that I forgot to edit out. But so I'm gonna introduce some crossfades here. So let's go to effects and then we're gonna go to video transitions and then we're gonna go to dissolve. So cross dissolves. Oh, it's missing. So cross dissolves here. This is what I love using cross dissolves, dip to black, dip to white. Those are like the most basic and most common things I've used. Those are just so simple, right? Alright, watch over there. Let's put another one there. Yeah, just because, you know, we don't want it to be too choppy. We really want to do cross dissolves. Cross dissolves because they're really smooth.
What? You want to say that shit again? I didn't so much. Like I said before, like, comment, subscribe if you like it. If you want to see more. Peace out.
I like it. Hopefully some improvement from the original video. I'm actually going to save it here and then send it to him. I'm going to actually link the original. Alright, so that's it. It's freaking almost 2 o'clock. I think that took me like 30 minutes to 40 minutes to do that edit. It's not the best edit that I have ever done, but you know, I just wanted to show you my process and how to take a 4-minute video into a 1-minute video and try to get everything jam-packed into 1 minute. Because like, if you think about it, a lot of people have short attention spans now. That's why people are going to TikTok and like watching 5-second videos and they get addicted, right? So trying to like make videos as short as possible, and you just want to really be short, straight to the point, and concise as possible. That's what I try to do here and show you guys my editing process. And I think I'm going to do more videos like this where I kind of do a video edit and then I'm going to show you guys what is in my mind when I am actually trying to edit a video, and then hopefully you guys can grab a couple of tips and pointers when I do that. But yeah, I'm going to link you guys in the description below to see if you want to see the original version. I'm going to link that, and also I'm going to link the new version where it's just a 1-minute trailer. But yeah, I'm gonna do more videos, stuff like this. So if you're new to this channel, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. And you know, if you need more tips, I do have some videos on editing tips and all that stuff, so check out my channel below, and I will see you all when I see you all. All right, hopefully I get more consistent on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter if you're on Twitter, because I'm more consistent over there. That's the most consistent platform that I am on right now, but you know, it is what it is. I'll see you guys next time.